This video will show you how to clean and disinfect an awry helmet. To start, please use an effective disinfecting solution. The EPA has a list of approved disinfectants on its website. You can look for the list called the N list. Make sure that you use a product that has at least 70% alcohol. If you cannot get that, you can mix 4 teaspoons of household bleach into a quart of water. Remember that you must use a disinfecting solution that will not damage the interior or the shell of your helmet. Never use any solution that contains benzene, petrol, or gasoline. Never use industrial solvents, and check all the labels on any cleaning product before you use it. Put your solution into a clean spray bottle. Rinse your spray bottle thoroughly to remove the residue of any other liquids before putting your solution into the spray bottle. Clean dirty surfaces with soap and water before applying your disinfecting solution. Always wear gloves when cleaning your helmet. If possible, wear disposable gloves when cleaning your helmet. If you do not have disposable gloves and you must wear reusable gloves, do not use the reusable gloves for any other purpose. Use the reusable gloves only during cleaning. Of course, wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds after you remove your gloves when you are done cleaning your helmet. With clean hands and clean gloves, you'll want to start by taking out all removable parts of the helmet. This will vary by model, so make sure to confirm which parts are removable before proceeding. Once removed, all of the removable pads can be sprayed with the disinfecting solution inside of your clean spray bottle. You can just spray them down and then wait for them to dry in a well-ventilated area. For the non-removable parts, such as the chin straps, or the pull-down spoiler, or the chin liner in the front of the helmet, you can dip a microfiber towel in the cleaning solution in a little bowl. You just dip that in there, and you can disinfect each of the non-removable parts just inside of the helmet. Give those a wipe. Not all models have removable neck rolls or headliners, so you'll want to double check if your specific model actually has a removable headliner or neck roll, or what parts are removable before attempting to pull them out. Those non-removable pads as well can be wiped with the cleaning solution inside the helmet. For example, those non-removable pads, such as the neck roll and a classic V, can be wiped down with the cleaning solution inside of the helmet and allowed to let dry. You do not want to spray the cleaning solution directly into the helmet, as it could damage the helmet. You'll want to keep the shield open, or for example, use a helmet donut just to keep the helmet well ventilated and make sure there's no residual cleaner smell once complete. Make sure to let the helmet dry completely before reassembling the helmet or putting it back into storage. Of course, since you are using a cleaning solution, you'll want to work in a well-ventilated area. A larger fan is recommended. If you don't have a helmet donut, then a stable surface with a soft towel to create a cradle will protect the finish and prevent the helmet from rolling away, possibly falling and causing damage. The awry helmet box and awry helmet t-shirt honestly do a pretty good job. Finally, as a reminder, dispose of your gloves. If you wore reusable gloves, do not use them for any other purpose, just for cleaning. Remember to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds after you take your gloves off. Thanks for watching.